Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Google Workspace and SSO-enabled no-code portals, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure you have access to your Google Workspace admin console. Log into your admin console using your administrator credentials. Navigate to the Security section in the menu. Select Set up Single Sign-On (SSO) with a third-party IDP. Here, you'll need to input your SSO URL. This URL should be provided by your no-code portal provider. Next, locate the Sign Out Page URL field. Input the URL where users will be redirected after signing out. Now, find the Change Password URL section. Enter the URL for users to change their passwords if needed. Proceed to the Verification Certificate field. Upload the certificate provided by your no-code portal. Once you've filled in all necessary fields, save your changes. Next, you'll want to configure your no-code portal settings. Log into your no-code portal dashboard. Find the section for authentication or security settings. Select Google Workspace as your authentication method. Enter the SSO URL and verification certificate you previously saved. Configure any additional settings required by your portal. Once configured, save your settings in the no-code portal. Now, proceed to create user accounts in your no-code portal. Ensure the email addresses match those in Google Workspace. Inform users that they can log in via Google SSO. Test the authentication by logging into the no-code portal. Enter the credentials of a user account you've created. Verify that the user successfully accesses the portal. If issues arise, review the SSO configurations in both Google Workspace and the no-code portal. Double-check that the URLs and certificate are correctly inputted. Finally, train your users on how to utilize the new SSO feature. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.